So while I was trying to build this wall mount, I ran into a bunch of issues, maybe a couple, that I feel like I had to create this video to share because online I couldn't find a solution for it, and even in Amazon, everything I saw kind of didn't work. So I wanted to do this video because I built this on my own by myself. So I wanted to show you guys everything that basically you would need so you don't have to go through what I went through. Let's get into the video.
So before you install the mount, there are two things that you have to know. One, these screws that it comes with, totally useless. You cannot do anything with these screws. So do not do this, because that's how I was able to get that big ass hole in my wall. Do not use this. This is the worst thing ever. But yeah, so bummed that the screw it came with was trash. But we got the right ones that would work for it. So that's amazing. Alrighty, let's go home and build me a studio, baby. So basically I had to get these shelves with these nails, and then I was able to kind of screw them in, put it in the wall, and boom, have it like this. Good. That was heavy. Okay, let's do this one. Too far apart. Ugh. So I had to come get the pipe. So I ended up getting a 2-inch PVC pipe. The cost for it was $17. So yeah, I'm gonna cut it up with this machine, and then I can go back and finish off the installation.
Oh my god, it didn't work. Oh, it's too big.
So the second thing you need to know is everyone said they had to use a PVC pipe, which is this basically, to install that. And you actually don't need it as long as you have it close together. You know what I mean? So as you can see, my board is right at the tip of both sides. Can you see? Exactly. So that was an epic fail. The pipe is an epic fail. Just wasted money. So yeah, am I pissed off? But you know what? Fuck it. We're gonna do another one, and we're gonna do it well. It's cool. It's okay. I'm getting angry. Okay. It's cool. Now let's try to put this on there again. All right. Hopefully, I don't need the pipe. Hopefully, because that would suck. All right. All right. Just try it again. Part Okay. Okay. So I didn't even need the pipe. I did not need the pipe. I did it! I got my backdrop! This is amazing. This is really amazing. So initially when I had it here, the red thing was supposed to be on this end. But now that it's here, it might affect the door, wouldn't it? Yeah. Actually, I think I'm gonna take off the red thing. Just because I don't know if I like the way it dangles. I just feel like it's an accident waiting to happen. I think I'll just manually roll it every time I need to use it. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Perfect. So now that I've removed it, it just makes the wall look so much cleaner, as you can see. So I love it. Doesn't take away from the living room, as we can see, and it's just right there. And if I wanted to make it tighter, I could just keep it, but I think it's fine like that because I'm going to be recording Vlogmas. Yay! All right, thank you guys for watching and hope you enjoyed this setup, and I'll see you in the next video.